Welcome to SilkLogic's Small Business Daily Podcast, your go-to for the latest in artificial intelligence and automation tools, news, and real business success stories. Today, we're talking about a cutting-edge metal engraving machine transforming small businesses and the talent wars heating up at the world's largest artificial intelligence companies. Our lead story features how the xTool F2 Ultra brings industrial-grade laser engraving right to your desktop and why jewelry makers say it's a total game changer. Let's dive in. Picture this. You're a small custom jewelry business. Personalizing high-value pieces often means expensive mistakes and wasted material. The xTool F2 Ultra Fiber Laser changes the game with artificial intelligence-powered camera positioning, letting you engrave on metal, wood, acrylic, and more with pinpoint accuracy. You get dual lasers, one for metal that can even add color to stainless steel, the other for detailed work on wood or plastic. This machine boasts a blazing 15,000 millimeters per second engraving speed, yet it can nail a custom message on a tiny ring down to 0.2 of a millimeter. One early user cut through 2mm stainless steel and made a dozen custom tags in minutes, turning one-off requests into profitable orders. Sure, prices start at $5,000, but for small businesses offering personalization, the investment pays for itself with speed, precision, and fewer errors. Here's the takeaway. If your business depends on custom engraving or branded merchandise, today's artificial intelligence-powered laser tech isn't just faster, it lets you unlock premium offerings and scale up, no matter your team size. Now, on to the next big move in artificial intelligence talent. OpenAI, famous for launching ChatGPT, has just rehired 3 of its former star researchers after a stint at Thinking Machines, a rival startup founded by ex-OpenAI exec Mira Murati. This shuffle highlights the intense war for artificial intelligence talent. Why does this matter for business leaders? Because the biggest players are pulling in top minds with offers ranging from $200 million to $1 billion a head, driving up competition and accelerating research. For startups and regular businesses, it means expect the pace of artificial intelligence innovation and the tools you rely on to keep speeding up. If you want to stay ahead, keep an eye on who's joining which teams and what they promise to build next. Switching gears to the infrastructure side. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency just closed a major loophole that let artificial intelligence companies quickly run data centers on temporary gas generators without needing air quality permits. Elon Musk's firm xAI powered its Memphis site with generators, turning on a supercomputer cluster with 100,000 graphics processors in just 19 days, a process that normally takes years. The new rules mean any business, big or small, now needs full permits before using gas turbines, even temporarily. For cloud customers and entrepreneurs planning artificial intelligence projects, this change could slow down new data center deployments and might make energy costs rise. The lesson? Energy and compliance are now crucial line items in the artificial intelligence age. Check your power and legal plans well ahead of any launch. On the software side, let's look at tool integration for automation. MCP Launchpad is a new command line tool that lets businesses search, connect, and run tasks across multiple software systems instantly. Imagine your artificial intelligence agents can look up and act on tools across services like GitHub, Notion, or your file servers, all from one simple interface. That cross-platform support plus built-in security and machine-friendly outputs makes it perfect for tech-savvy teams wanting to streamline operations and reduce time to deploy new automations. If your team wastes hours switching apps, MCP Launchpad could be your missing link. Still on automation, developers are now finding smarter ways to mix human oversight with autonomous coding using tools like Ralph Wiggum. Instead of micromanaging every coding phase with prompts, you feed in your desired result, then let the tool plan, build, test, and commit changes to your project in a feedback loop. This has already saved independent developers huge amounts of time on routine updates, plus boosts code quality. The trick for businesses? Break down tasks into tiny, testable steps and keep the scope focused, whether you're building new features or just cleaning up your codebase. Before we go, here's a quick lightning round. OpenAI is reportedly spending millions on a Super Bowl commercial to win the mainstream artificial intelligence race. Data privacy and regulatory efforts are also ramping up worldwide, as seen with stricter generator rules and investigations into chatbot misuse. And for businesses still on the fence about artificial intelligence, new research says the productivity payoff is real, but only for those who pick the right tools and train their teams. That brings us to the end of today's show. If you found these stories helpful, subscribe to SilkLogic's Small Business Daily Podcast for daily insights and success tips on artificial intelligence and automation tools. For more details and links to all the stories we covered, visit our website. Thanks for listening, and catch you tomorrow.